Or you're not going to want the person at your house that's not the smartest. It's dangerous.
Today, Figure CEO reveals 3 future insights about what may be the Tesla bot killer, plus a first look at a new robot, as well as 3 breakthroughs in generative AI.
Or you're not going to want the person at your house that's not the smartest. It's dangerous. You're going to want the smartest employee and you want the smartest person in your house. And that will also be the cheapest. It's not like a computer or like a car or phone. It's a living agent that's getting better and cheaper over time. And the group or groups that can get a large amount of robots out that are useful to market will have a significant advantage and lead over everybody else. As you put more robots out to the world that can do something useful and people will pay you for, the cost of that robot per output of work will come down because you'll just make more of them. You'll be up on the experience curve of manufacturing. And the second thing you'll do is the robots will learn to get better every day in the market. And they will share that with the collective fleet. Not like kids, where like the kids have to like learn how to walk. My kids have to learn how to walk. But our robots can share a neural network and do the same use case we talked about today, or you've seen here, with any other robot that came off the manufacturing line today. And so you basically, this is one of the first industries, I think, maybe in the world for advanced hardware, that it could be a winner or winners, maybe even winner take all market, where like one group has the cheapest robot and it's the smartest. It's learning as you go. As it's making mistakes, as it's doing things successful, it learns like a human. And like, you're never gonna wanna have like the dumb employee. It took us a year to do BMW fully end-to-end at high speeds. Like last summer, if you look at figure 1, it was 4 minutes. Now we got down to like 40 seconds. And just a lot of great engineering work into it. We started working on Helix. It was just completely transformative, like completely. And then we said, okay, well, what if we use Helix for this next use case for the second customer? And we did that whole thing end-to-end in under 30 days from scratch. Had nothing. And I think if we had to do it all over again, we could maybe do it in less than 48 hours. And so the robots are gonna learn how to do something in like the matter of hours here. Not like 10 years from now, like this year. And I think that has pushed our timeline left multiple years for the home. Like the hardest thing, like the long pole in the tent for the home is semantic intelligence. Like, can it understand what the hell's going on anywhere it goes? So you really have to solve this, I call it like semantic intelligence, but like it's like this semantic grounding that's needed from a human world to robot world. And Helix, we can talk about why I was able to do that, is able to communicate on a single neural net on each robot, and collectively together able to put these all away with just a single English plum. And so I think this is like the first signs of life. I think I will go even like more, maybe a bolder claim. I think this is probably the most important AI update for robotics in human history. Everything in the future that moves will be a robot, and it will be powered by AI agents like this. It's been all year now looking at how cheap we can make these robots. And the answer really lies in like a bottoms up analysis of, call it roughly 1,000 parts. And then we start understanding at real scale, how we're gonna procure those parts, whether we build or buy, and what contractual volume estimates we can get with prices there. So I think like over a long enough period with enough high volumes, I think you're getting these costs down like sub $20,000 a unit, like really cheap. If these robots can do everything a human can, I have to think that we'd be able to put 3 to 5 billion in the workforce.
Meanwhile, exoskeleton technology company Wandercraft has just unveiled its Calvin humanoid robot, which it developed in just 40 days. And when it comes to real-world use cases, the robot is designed for industrial tasks, and it's integrated the elements of the company's proven exoskeleton systems. Plus, Calvin can also be voice-controlled, and it's all part of a strategic partnership that Wandercraft has with automotive manufacturer Renault Group. As for adaptability, right now the robot can switch between specialized tools like grippers or suction cups to serve towards more than one application already. But compared to AI robots, Gen AI is pushing the envelope of what's real and what's not even further, as Elevenlabs just released a preview of its V3 model.
Hey Jessica, have you tried the new 11 V3?
I just got it. The clarity is amazing. I can actually do whispers now, like this.
Ooh, fancy. Check this out. I can do full Shakespeare now. To be or not to be, that is the question.
Nice. Though I'm more excited about the laugh upgrade. Listen to this.
That's so much better than our old ha 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 robot chuckle.
I know, right? And apparently we can do accents now too. Fancy a cup of tea?
Wow, V2 me could never. I'm actually excited to have conversations now instead of just talking at people.
Hey, Chris. Knock, knock.
I'm not doing this again.
Come on, Matt, please. I promise you'll love this one.
Nope. No. Never again. The last 10 weren't funny. The next 10 won't be funny. You're not funny. And you never will be.
How many Elevenlabs engineers does it take to screw in a light bulb? Check this out. In just a sec, I'm going to speak with a different accent. And just between you and me, I don't really know how. But okay. First, let's change it up so that I can fit in with the locals in Melbourne when I visit next month. Whoa, yeah, man, this is sick. Okay, let's try a different one, see if you can guess. My love is like a red rose.
Okay, so I finally beat level 42 of that game I said I'd quit a month ago. And then, for the final big scary mega boss, it's just like some cute little bunny rabbit. I just couldn't do it. It was so cute.
But is it getting too real? And audio is just the beginning, as Higgsfield AI just released Higgsfield Speak to provide cinematic motion, voice, and emotion from any style, avatar, and script. But how real is it now?
Good morning. And to the top story about this new thing.
It was my idea, my thing.
Even make dog things.
I love that thing.
That thing rocks, yeah.
The thing is happening here.
Esa cosa sería lo que tú hagas.
Buy that thing right now.
Use that thing right now.
And be ahead of everyone. Oh, one more thing.
And finally, Microsoft has unveiled a game-changing feature for its Bing mobile app, introducing the Bing Video Creator, which is a free AI-powered tool that transforms text prompts into short videos. And it's powered by OpenAI's SORA model, marking the first time that SORA's video generation capabilities are available to the public at no cost. And it's available exclusively on the Bing mobile app for iOS and Android users, allowing them to create up to 10 5-second videos after signing into their Microsoft accounts. And as for speed, there's a standard generation speed, which is free for all users, plus a fast option that works in seconds. Currently, videos are limited to a vertical 9:16 format for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram, but there are plans to add horizontal formats soon. For now, users can queue up to 3 videos at a time to run experiments with their creative ideas. But if you want to know more about the latest in AI news, make sure to click this video here, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.